your topic is what is the difference between saber verb, saber and conocer. Basically, saber is to know and conocer is to know. So tell me first the conjugation of saber. Speak up. Yo say.
You say.
You say.
E, we have an accent. One second. Let me check the accent. Okay, here we have yo say. Okay,
Tu sabes.
very good. Tu sabes.
Ella sabe.
Ella sabe.
Very good. Ella sabe.
Sabe.
Nosotros
Nosotros
sabemos.
Nosotros sabemos.
sabemos.
Vosotros
Vosotros
sabéis.
Que sabéis.
vosotros.
Sabéis.
Sabéis.
We have an accent over here. Sabéis. And ellos, ellas.
Ellos
Sabéis.
saben.
Sabe. So now we have a conocer verb. Okay. So in conocer
Yo
we have yo
conozco.
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 Is it clear to you? Tú conoces.
Tú conoces.
Okay.
Él, ella
Él, ella
conoce.
conoce. Nosotros
Nosotros
conocemos.
conocemos.
Is it clear to you? Vosotros conocéis.
Conocéis. Ellos, ellas conocen.
And here we have ellos, ellas conocen. So now you came to know the conjugation. Okay. So now see how I will come to know that I have to use saber and I have to use conocer because both are the same. No, no. Is it clear to you? So in case of fact, in case of fact, okay, in case of your skills, in case of your knowledge that lie under saber verb. Is it clear to you? And where we have to use conocer verb, like if you have a people, you know. Okay, if you have a places, you know. Is it clear to you? If you have to be familiar, to be acquainted, to be acquainted with the people. So there we have to use basically your conocer verb. Like for location, we can use conocer verb. Is it clear to you? For example, if I ask to you, if you tell me, uh, if you say, I know what is the capital of Colombia.
Yo conozco.
No, no,
Yo sé.
Conozco.
no, 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 no. If you're saying I know what is the capital of Colombia, it means this is coming
Sabe.
under your knowledge because this is your knowledge, like you know the capital of Colombia.
Yes.
Okay.
If you're saying I know what is the capital, for example, of Colombia, so here this is coming under your knowledge. So what you will say? You say,
Yo sé.
you say what is qual? So again, A, we have an accent over here. One second. So what you will say? Qual. Okay, so A, we have accent. Qual is the one word. Qual is basically a one word. Okay. So you're saying I know what is the capital of Colombia. You say qual is my sair verb. So we have s because we'll conjugate with the capital. We can conjugate with he, she, ella. Ella is we have sair verb. So you say qual es la capital de Colombia.
Yo sé
So here we have a sair verb. Is that clear to you? You are saying yo sé cuál es la capital de Colombia. Speak up. If you're saying I know what is the capital of Colombia, yo sé cuál es la capital de Colombia.
cuál.
Okay.
Es la
But if you say like I know the place Bogota. Bogota is basically a city in Bogota. Is a city name. Bogota is a city name in Colombia. It's the capital of Colombia basically. Bogota, city name. If you're saying आई नो बगोटा मतलब आप उस सिटी को जानते हो मतलब दैट इज कमिंग अंडर द प्लेस आप उस प्लेस को जानते हो सो व्हाट यू विल से yo conozco is it clear to you yo conozco Bogota
Bogotá.
is that clear to you
Yes, sir.
if you're saying I know who
Neha.
is हाँ चलो for example if I'm saying I know who is Neha. So Neha is basically a person. So what I will say, yo conozco
Conozco
quién. Quién is
quién.
basically your who. Quién. So we have an accent over here. Quién. Okay. I know who is Neha. So what we will say, yo conozco quién es Neha. या फिर खुशबू. Anything. Is that clear to you? Anything.
Yes,
Is that clear to you?
yes,
For example, you say, I know how to cook. Simple. I know how to cook. So that is coming under your knowledge.
sabe.
So what you will say? Yo sé
Yo sé
cocinar.
cómo
Cocinar. हाँ, लगा सकते हैं, but simple. I know to cook. Simple. We can say yo sé cocinar. Is that clear to you? Okay. If you're saying I know, pen down please. I know how to make. वहाँ पे ना एक verb, एक डिश है. If you अवन फ्रेश के अगर आपने कभी खाया हो इंचिलादास होते हैं इंचिलादास एंचिलाद खाया आपने कभी एंचिलाद
तो नाम इतना खतरनाक है
अच्छा इंचिलाद होता है कभी खा के देखना मैंने खाया है वो काफी बार अवन फ्रेश से उसमें कॉर्न्स होते हैं और वेज है वो आइटम वो दैट्स वेरी व्हाट आई वुड से वेरी डिलीशियस आइटम एंचिलाद एंचिलादास सो एक बार खा के देना अवन फ्रेश में मिलता है और बहुत अच्छा होता है अवन फ्रेश का इंचिलाद सो यू सेइंग आई नो हाउ टू मेक enchiladas यार कुछ भी आप बोल सकते हो राइस आरोज अब यहाँ पे क्या है आई नो ठीक है अब आई नो ये आपकी नॉलेज है ना कि आपको खाना बनाना आता है तो यो से
Yo
ओके
sé
आसेर इज टू वर्ब आसेर इज टू मेक टू डू आसेर enchiladas
enchiladas. Is this a Spanish dish?
enchiladas is Spanish dish basically but बहुत टेस्टी होती है एक बार आप खा के देखना जब जैसे अवन फ्रेश तो सेफ है आप ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर भी कर सकते हो अवन फ्रेश से अगर उनको डिलीवरी है तो बड़ा अवन फ्रेश इज बेसिकली वेरी हाइजीन रेस्टोरेंट यू हर्ड अबाउट अवन फ्रेश
Yes, 26 वाले उनका वो white sauce pasta भी बहुत अच्छा है.
yo say hacer enchiladas okay so for example you are saying I know uh, I know what is the देखो I know very well I know very well the एक ना वहां पे वो है कोकीना कोकीना मेहिकाना कोकीना मेहिकाना मेहिकाना इज योर मैक्सिको बेसिकली हम मेहिको बोलते हैं मेहिकाना वहां पे ना एक रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है कोकीना कोसीना मेहिकाना कोसीना मेहिकाना if you're saying I know very well the restaurant name है कोसीना मेहिकाना if you're saying कोसीना is basically your cook है ना कोसीना मेहिकाना is मैक्सिकन कोई कुक होगा मतलब कोई रेस्टोरेंट होगा if you're saying I know very well the कोसीना मेहिकाना कि मुझे उस प्लेस के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है कोसीना मेहिकाना के बारे में तो आप क्या वर्ब यूज करोगे लोकेशन का है तो yo conozco muy bien is it clear to you yo conozco muy bien the because there's a feminine cocina mexicana cocina mexicana is it clear to you Kushman Neha
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear see if you're saying for example I know how to reach if you're saying I know how to reach the Las Vegas you know the city in US Las Vegas airport it means this is coming under your knowledge you know the way of the reaching to the Las Vegas airport so what you will say you say then we have llegar is to reach to arrive llegar is it clear to you llegar is it clear to you llegar to reach to the airport so al aeropuerto we have puerto okay so we have aeropuerto de Las Vegas
Yo sé llegar al aeropuerto de Las
aeropuerto is your airport so you're saying you say llegar al aeropuerto de Las Vegas it means I know how to reach the airport of Las Vegas is it clear to you but in the next sense you say I know the place of Las Vegas airport in the next sense you say I know the place is it clear to you so what you will say yo conozco is it clear to you senora
Yes, sir.
yo conozco el aeropuerto is it clear to you yo conozco el aeropuerto de Las Vegas is it clear to you
Yes, sir.
sure
Yes, sir.
so these type of conversation like we can do like what a difference between you came to know today what a difference between saber verb and a conocer verb right you came to know like what expression we can use in terms of love right you came to know today what expression we can use in terms of direct indirect something is it clear to you so this is the session basically wherein you will what I will do is again I will upload this video in YouTube you can watch this again and again and again
Yes,
you know what you have to do let me explain you already have the links of आपके हैं सारे YouTube के links मेरे Spanish के you have
Yes, sir.
जैसे verbs का pattern है Spanish verbs का 50 verbs we have repeat repeat pause ठीक है उसके बाद जैसे जो आज का सेशन हमारा जो टुडे वी हैव रैप्ड अप राइट सो स्पेंड लाइक 1 आवर ओपन द सेशन ठीक है repeat it watch it so that there's a live class you will come to know
Okay.
जैसे कोनोसेट साबेर में you can make like anything we have done 5-6 examples and कोनोसेट and साबेर verb right so this is a pattern where you can do practice because ये अब आपकी सेविंग है क्योंकि वो आपके पास पड़ा हुआ है रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन
Yes, sir.
इज दैट क्लियर टू यू
yes, sir.
ठीक है सो मैं आपको फिर कल मिलूंगा सेम टाइम पे ओके बाय 11 and we'll do something like because this week I want that we'll do the conversation practice. Like tomorrow we have Friday, so Friday again we'll do the conversation, maybe the some latest conversations. Okay, and then Monday onward we'll do the grammar portion again and listening portion, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
by the time adios, take care, hasta luego, hasta mañana.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me,
और
sir.
हाँ जी बोलो.
सर ये जो